that's an AC line hole, drain hole. So I'm gonna put this here and I clamp it. I'm gonna redirect that line all the way out to lower the below the frame. Yep, this is on the passenger side, just in case you're wondering where it is. Yep, there is the attachment to my hose extension. I have one hose clamp there. I'm gonna put a second one in. Then I'm gonna route along the firewall away from the catalytic converter. So tie it here. It's quite a bit of heat here. I'm a little bit concerned about that. Anyway, I put the hose tie onto this two empty one is not being used. And then I'm gonna run and pass outside the frame on the outside and run in between the body. And they're coming out to the back of this frame. And I'm gonna tie it to the back. Few shot of aluminum tape, duct tape to wrap around these holes, shield from the heat from the catalytic converter, so I don't burn these holes. And anyway, there it is.